In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom code in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place scripts or snippets so they load site-wide or just on a single page, and how to handle the common prompts you'll see along the way. Start by heading to your Webflow dashboard and opening the project you want to work on. From there, go into your project settings. In the left sidebar, look for the Custom Code section and open it. You'll see dedicated fields labeled for the site head and for code that loads before the closing body tag. These are the places where you paste code that should run across your entire site, like analytics, tag managers, or global CSS. Click into the paste area, drop in your snippet, and double-check that you're using the right field. Styles and meta tags belong in the head, while most JavaScript performs best just before the closing body tag. If you have two different snippets, paste them into their respective boxes. If Webflow prompts you to add a site plan before saving custom code, that's expected. Custom code at the project level requires a paid site plan. Choose a website plan that fits your needs, confirm, and then return to your project settings. Once your plan is active, the custom code fields will be available to save changes. Next, return to the dashboard and open the project in the Webflow Designer. This is where you add custom code to a specific page or section. Open the Add panel, search for the Embed element, and drag it onto the canvas exactly where you want the code to appear. Click the embed you just placed to open its settings, then paste your snippet into the editor. This is ideal for things like widgets, forms, or components that shouldn't load everywhere. When you're done, click Save, and then Save and Close to apply those changes in the designer. A few quick best practices while you work. Keep secrets like API keys out of your front-end code whenever possible. If a script offers an async or defer option, use it to help page performance. Place CSS in the head for fastest styling, and reserve the before body field or embed element for scripts. If something doesn't render as expected, confirm that you used the correct placement and that the snippet's dependencies, like external libraries, are included. That's it. Now you can confidently add custom code site-wide in project settings or locally with an embed.